So the one thing about this screen that I don't like is that you can't tilt it. It would be cool if I can tilt it towards myself and like watch it, but obviously I can't. So what I did was I got this Model 3, Model Y swivel mounting kit from Hansshow, and I'm gonna test it out. I'm gonna show you guys how to install all of this stuff here from Hansshow. I'm gonna make a video for you guys so that if you guys wanna do this, you'll be able to do this yourselves. So, how to get started? Okay, well first I need to remove all this stuff. There's my old my accessory deal here. I gotta remove this. Take that out. There's my little carport ordeal. So before starting installation, please turn off the power of the original car screens. It's really cold right now, so I gotta set my temperature, but it is actually icing here in Austin, Texas. So I'm gonna do this inside of my car without opening the doors. So we'll see what happens. Okay, so I'm just gonna put it into actually display. We're gonna put it into clean mode. After that, it says here, use screw to pry the trim panel under the screen from the gap. You need to get one of these. I'm actually gonna use something like this that looks like a hook. I think this is gonna be more suitable for me to pull. I'm putting my deal right here. It's gonna hook, and I pull it open. Push that in. Yes. There we go. You're gonna push that little part right there, and that part will come up. Right, I'm gonna have to scoop my chair back a little bit for this. We're gonna need this to go underneath. There we go. Lefty, loosey, righty tighty. When you do this, you're probably gonna want to get an extender, because this little thing, if you just have this, it's not gonna work. This way you can do it faster here. All right. Make sure you adjust your temperatures before you start doing this, because with the screen being off, can't really do much. First screw, I don't know what's gonna happen if this one comes off. I can feel it moving already. I'm just gonna put it right there in the cup holder. Second screw, you can see it kind of moving right there. Well, it says to shake. I'm shaking it. Oh, all right. That's kind of weird. Okay, so I was able to pull it out. It has nothing to do with gently, because you kind of have to just pull it out. Okay, so check it out. So it's saying that I have to remove this piece first, and I think it just comes up. Yeah, looks like it. Yeah, it's like so. See that? There it goes. Woo! Caught it by my pinky. Anyway, if it would have fell, it would have fallen on my beanie here. This right here is the piece where you're actually supposed to push down. So you definitely need one of these things. So you're pushing this down while pulling it up. That's the only piece that's keeping it intact, okay? It doesn't look like we're actually going to take the original mount out. We're actually going to use this ordeal here and just going to place it in like that. I'm pretty sure there's going to be screws that will screw into that. So it's wanting me to use the original screws to actually, oh, there we go. So we're going to want to tighten this up here. So with this part, you actually need to remove this part. So if you can actually see inside, there are two screws. There's one right here. That's a hex screw. There's another one in there we need to take out. Luckily, however, my screwdriver actually fits perfectly in the star screw. Okay, so this part we are not using anymore. Now the screen's actually going to look like this, and we actually have to add some other things to it. Your kit's going to come with two screws. So you're going to screw this little black piece here, kind of like that ordeal right there. All right, it's only one way that it will fit on there. And what this is it is going to hold your cover, because you're not using that OME cover anymore. You're going to be using the leather cover that they sent with this ordeal. And I'm not sure if I'm going to be lucky enough to have this thing fit in here. Oh, actually, super lucky. Screwdriver wins again. The screwdriver fits even the Allen wrench. That's hilarious. So it fits the my screwdriver fit the Allen wrench, and it also fits this too, which is kind of funny. Anyway, so when you're done with it, it's gonna look like this. See that? What's gonna happen is first I'm gonna install this plug back into here, and then I'm gonna take the white clip, buckle it back in so it stays put in there as well. So this is gonna go here. We're gonna take this white clip and also put it back in there how it was. Oh wait, I got this upside down. It actually goes this way, not this way. Second try. Put that back in there. Oh, okay, there we go. Clipped, I had it on backwards, so it goes on back this way. So once this is in, I'm gonna take this, I'm gonna put it right on between these two, and then this goes like this. This goes right here. Here's the first one. Just looking back here makes me wanna, I need to clean my car. This doesn't look right. Okay, so here's where I kind of got messed up a little bit and it didn't really show any info, and I kind of figured it out myself. But if you actually see here, there's another swivel right here. So at first this was looking like this, and I was like, well, this thing isn't fitting correctly. So what you actually have to do is, see how that one's like that? You're gonna push it in this way, and then you're gonna bend this one out like that. And then I would adjust it to match the holes here, and this one needs to match that hole right there so that your screen could fit whenever you're trying to install the screen. All right, I finally got this thing installed after messing around with the tilt. I didn't know there was an extra part where you're supposed to move, and once I moved that, I was able to get this to fit in there correctly. Got it installed. Check it out. It is swiveling very nicely, no squeaks, no rough edges, just super nice. I like it. I like it a lot. All right, so this is the heating. I had to go change it. It's too damn cold. So anyway, this is the part right here. This is the temperature sensor. Literally, it's just Velcro holding it on, and I got this this little zip tie here to zip tie it. I don't know exactly if it's for that, but I'm gonna use it for that. This is to keep it to where it doesn't move anywhere, as you can see here. And then you're basically going to plug it in to that extra plug. All right, so now it's plugged, and you're just gonna kind of wrap it around. Is that the way it's supposed to go? I think it's like this. Yeah, it's like this, where the flat side is kind of pointing towards you, and the little indent side is going towards the car. I'm getting a lot of text messages right now, so bear with me. Okay, so that goes aside like that. Wow, I am popular today. And then that goes over there like that. All right, and I'm kind of tucking the leather inside so that it looks pretty cool. But look, check it out. This is the final thing. It is in. Looks pretty dope. You can move it. I thought that it was actually going to be very, oh my god, I thought that installing this was going to be very loosey-goosey, but it actually, you have to put a little bit of force on it. Like if you shake the car, I'll show a video of me driving it with it on, and it doesn't move at all. Even if you're like touching it, like if you're typing stuff, as you can see, it doesn't move unless I'm pushing it, like really pushing it. But that's not how you type, right? You're gonna type like this. I mean, I don't know what else to say about it. Oh, the other thing is, it's actually, it lowered itself about, I would say about 1.5 inches lower. So now my phone accessory will not work with this because it's almost touching my shaft right here. However, now my phone accessory down here, I'm gonna have to start using, which I did get a new one actually from this other place, Jiaoyua. Jawiwa or something like that, but I'm gonna show that on my next video. Overall, I like it. I would have liked for it to be in the same height, but I mean, it's not bad being about an inch lower. I mean, this is how I'm gonna have it. I'm gonna have it tilt towards me every time I drive because it just looks better. But if this is something that you guys want to get, this one is a really nice one to get. This actually, to be honest, like something like this should have already been stocked. Like you should have the capabilities of moving the screen. To me, I feel like this should have already been stocked. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. This is a new mod that I just got on my car, so subscribe, like, comment. You know the drill. I'll talk to you soon. Peace. Oh, I'm gonna probably be heading somewhere, take a little vacation because it's too damn cold. I guess you'll find out where I'm going here next. Till then, peace.